Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, any guesses? I'm going to be doing the 2026 plan unboxing. I feel like this year was pretty fast. Just few months back I did the 2025 unboxing. Anyway, so I am back here again with my Neorah planners, and with that I also have a few more extra things that I want to share with you guys. First, we'll start off with their daily 2026 planners. They also have undated and weekly planners as well, which you can check out. There are 3 different sizes that I have here. There are other sizes also that you can check out, and I'm going to be unboxing and sharing my thoughts with you guys, and also which is going to be my planner for this year. Last year as well, I used the Neorah Planner, which was an A5 version. This year I'm going to be using a different one, but we'll get to see that. So here I'm unboxing it. It comes in this box. All the planners individually come like this. You've got a thank you card, then you've got a brief about Neorah, and then you've got this accomplish booklet where you basically have the guide on how to use it. I love using the guides, and I can clearly see this year they have updated the guide with a lot more add-ons and different ways to use this. I love using their guides. I think it's such a great reference point to see how they have used it and how you can style up. So Neorah planners are very similar to bullet journals where you can customize that. They're just like very neutral pages. The best part about Neorah is they segregate it so well, and of course they are dated. So it's like an upgrade of your bullet journals, and I love using them, especially if you're someone like me who likes to have your vision board and all. The Neorah planners are your way to go. Now this size that I have here is B6. It's their again 2026 daily planner, and have you noticed they've launched amazing colors? They've launched like very good neutral shades now. One of them is this brown variant, and again it's vegan leather. So best part, it's not like leather also, it's very similar to that one. And by the way, this color is called umber, and yeah, I just called it brown, but it's called umber, and this is the B6 version. So as you can see, if you compare it to my hands, it's not pretty big, so it's more compact, easy to carry around, and I love the touch and feel. This is again something which is a gender neutral color. They have like very beautiful vibrant colors that they used to come out with, like pinks and yellows and teal, which I love, but I'm really happy that they've come out with very gender neutral, or you could say like classic neutral colors this time. The page quality is absolutely amazing. There's no doubt. I've used markers, water pens, sketch pens, everything, and it's just perfect. I mean, you can watch my older videos to see that as well. So we're going to zoom in, and I'm going to take you through, like flip you through these pages and what all you get. Usually it's the classic that you get in your Neorah daily planners, the dated ones, but still we're going to go ahead and see. So we start off with the first basic page, and then you've got your who this belongs to, contact details, vision board, very important, and then you've got your year at glance. So this again is actually very helpful. So if I look at back my 2025 planner, I've used this quite a lot. Then you've got your month at glance, again very important for me. Now you can see this is more compact version, so yeah, you can choose it accordingly. If you're someone on the go person, this is great. Then you've got weekly ones. So again, you've got everything in these daily planners, and then once your weekly ones are over, your month-wise daily planning starts. And I love how they have the section for priorities, affirmation, and then things you have accomplished and things you're grateful for. So yeah, I really like this, and this is the classic one. I've been using them for so long. You can watch other videos where I show you guys how I use them, how I fill them. I will try and make some videos of like my planning journey. I'm really not committing on it, but yeah. On the back end, you have got your habit tracker, expense tracker pages, and then of course you've got like a normal notes pages as well. So this is their new one in the color umber, and again very beautiful and classic color, and I really like the quality. And you also get a pen holder, by the way, which you have to peel and stick. Moving on to the next one, which might be my planner. Okay, I'm not giving you any kind of commitments, but yeah, just saying it might be my planner because I love this color. So again, you've got the classic inserts over here, the Neorah brief, and then the guide. Okay, all of these daily planner guides are same. It's just the size that differs. So I like how even in the guide, they vary the size accordingly. So yeah, it's the same flip through that you get even in these. There's nothing different, it's just the size that varies. Again, I really like to see them. And by the way, if you want to buy any of these planners, do use my code to get some extra discounts. Now here we have, this is another new color launched by them, and it's called Eden Green. and just look at this. It's beautiful. When I saw this, I instantly fell in love with this color because I don't know, maybe it's the vibe, it's fall time, it's winter season coming in, and this dark green, emerald green is the perfect one. Now, if you check it on their website, it looks a little brighter green, but honestly, in reality, it's a very beautiful, deep green color. And if you want something different this time, you should try it out, because of course, like neutral colors, brown, black are very common, but this is something really different, and I really like this one. This is an A6 size, like I told you. So this is a perfect, I won't even call it medium, but it's a little smaller than medium. So I really like this size. So that's the reason I decided to go for this size. And also, now that there are going to be a couple of changes in my life, I don't think so I would be needing a bigger planner like I needed when I was a student. So this is a perfect size. Again, coming to the flipping page through, it's same vision board. You've got the yearly review, the monthly review, and then you get your weekly, or like what you call daily review start. So yeah, this is the classic way. Here you've got your weekly, and then you've got the daily layout start. You know what I did in 2025, I started using the weekly layout for my meal plans. So there's like, different ways to use it as well. So you can try it out, check it out. Again, you've got the sections over here: priorities, accomplishment, things you're grateful for, the classic daily planning pages. Go ahead, and then in the end, you've got your habit tracker, expense tracker, a little pocket to store in your stickers, things that you're passionate about pages, and all of that. And again, here you get the expense tracker a little bit big. Now, I personally like to keep a separate budget journal, even on my virtual, tracking sheet. So it's not a matter of concern for me. But if you're someone who needs like super extensive budgeting, then you can just use the other pages for that. But yeah, this is very positively going to be my 2026 planner. I love it. I feel like the more you grow, you kind of get away from those cute, heart planners, and you want something very neutral and something that you can fill it up with. So yeah, that's there. Now coming to the final planner, which is the A5, which is of course the big size planner. Again, comes with the same insert. However, this planner is in a different color. It's this very beautiful muted gray color, which is called Wild Dove. And again, like I told you, it's the A5 planner. Very good. This is what I used for 2025, and in 2025 I realized that I don't need A5 size. I think I am good to go with the A6, because like I told you, once you grow in life, few things get away, few things come in, so accordingly you can see. And I love this entire gold detailing as well. So another add-on. So again, like I said, if you're a student, you definitely need an A5 size planner, because you have so many things going on, plus different classes, subjects. So you need something extensive like this. So yeah, but the color is so good. Again, a gender neutral color, beautiful. You can easily carry around. And also I love the color choices this time. Okay, they've also come up with this beautiful blue color planner, which is called like Sargasso blue. And then this very good red planner, which is called Rhubarb red. So they have some really good new colors coming in. And even an afterglow white planner. So I really like their approach this year. So yeah, you can check those out. And like I told you, the flip through pages are again the same. You've got your naming, then you've got your vision board, yearly review. When I look at this page, it reminds me of my 2025 yearly review. That is of course going to fill it up soon. But yeah, that's how it is. And I feel like this is perfect for a student, for a college student, a school-going student, and especially if you are in like degrees like law and MBBS, because you have so many different things to look after. Yeah, you can easily choose it. Otherwise, the inside of the papers or planner is literally the same. It's only the size difference that you get. And yeah, I remember like for 2025, half of my pages were empty for this big size, because again, I didn't have much to do. So that's why A6 is the perfect size for me. But if you are like a college or school going student, then this will be the better option. And like you see, there's a pen loop as well, which you have to peel off the sticker and stick it and then insert your pen. I don't do that because I usually keep this planner at my desk and I don't carry it around most of the time. Maybe because my planner was bulky, I might start doing it now that I have the A6 one. So yeah, this was the Neorah planners that I have, 3 of them. This was in beautiful gray color that I already shared, the Wild Dove, and then you've got the other 3 colors. Of course, I went for the green one. I'll link these below in case you want to check them out. And again, I'm going to place them side by side so that you can see the size difference between the A5, A6 and B6. Beautiful planners, absolutely love them. I love that touch of making these really good different neutral colors, and yeah, something that I love. Like I told you, there are other things that I want to share with you guys. So Neorah not only has planners, but they also have like other goods, and last year I had got a few of them, and this year I wanted to get a few more, so they kindly sent it to me. First is this laptop sleeve. Now they have a laptop case, like a bag sort of a thing, zipper pouch, and a laptop sleeve. So this one is a new one that I got, which is in this beautiful red shade, and it's a laptop sleeve, and it fits like up to like 15-inch laptops. I have a 13-inch one, so it doesn't matter, but yeah, it fits even up to 15-inch. The quality is amazing, and oh my god, the space and everything. Just look at inside. It's such high quality, and the pricing is so reasonable. Plus you can use my code, like I said, I'll link it below. So I absolutely love it. This is such a perfect add-on. Like, I'm so tired of using like those weird little covers and cases you get for laptop. I wanted something very classic and chic, and this is the one that I had got last year in this blue shade. Again, loving it. I've used it so much in the last 1 year. You can clearly see there are my laptop marks because I keep my laptop on top of it when I travel, and you can see I love it. I absolutely love them. Highly recommend you guys to get these. Their laptop sleeves and pouches are the way to go. They are spacious, they are very high quality, and the color options are amazing. So I got the blue one, which I got last year, and then this time I got the red one. So yeah, there are different options that you could look out for and complete your entire collection sort of a thing. But highly recommend you guys to try these out. Okay, they are very good quality, and plus vegan leather feels so best. Now the other one that I got is something that I was trying out for the first time, and I wanted it so bad, so they kindly sent it to me, and this is their wallet, guys. Like, I didn't know they had their wallet. When I got the desk mat and the laptop sleeve, I realized, oh, they have a wallet as well, and I was really curious to try it out. So yeah, finally I got to try it out, and look at it. It comes in this beautiful dust bag, and the color that you see on the dust bag with the Neorah, that is literally the color of my wallet. How like cool. So this is how you open. I went for one of those wallet, where you have a coin pouch insert as well, because I always have some coins on me, so why not? I love this beautiful green color. It's so different and unique. There are multiple different options available. So again, once you open it, you've got your card holder, and then you've also got this little note holder on the side, and you've got a zipper wallet where you can, like a pouch sort of thing, where you can store in coins and other things. I love this. Oh my god, the quality of this is so good. They also have another long wallet form, so you can check that one out as well, but I wanted something compact, so yeah, I ended up getting this. Really good quality. I think they should launch more such articles under their leather variants. They are doing some really good quality products in the market. So yeah, this was my video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll link all the products in the description box below. Do check them out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.